Okay, if I can do this during sliders, then I know you guys can do it, okay? This is difficulty level 99. All right, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My shoes are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No way. Okay, shoes come off. All right, definitely not the cleanest way I've ever skipped, but just proof. If I can do it in sliders, then you know, if you put your mind to it, you guys can get this done. Promise you. Holy cold. Woo! Damn, it's cold. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the channel, people, and happy new year. We have got another fire skipping tutorial for you, of course. In today's video, you're gonna be learning a drill which I have implemented throughout the last 10 years of my jump rope journey. If you guys can practice and obtain everything that I tell you in this video, you'll be executing every single one of these moves and making sure you look super slick with your rope game, all right? Today, I'm using the iconic Money Rope Performance. We've got this in the Lava Orange Edition. If you use the code VIP30 right now, guys, you're gonna get 30% off, right? This is exclusive only to YouTube. So head online after this video or during this video, get your order in. We ship worldwide and we also have free worldwide delivery available. Okay, so this drill is quick and easy, folks, all right? What you're gonna try and do is you're gonna try and do 4 moves 5 times, okay? In a row, back to back without tripping. So for example, the first move is a running crossover. So you do 5 reps of the running crossover, right? Then you're gonna switch into 5 double unders. Then you're going to 5 southpaw double unders, finished by 5 clean double under crossovers. The reason why this works, guys, is it gets you disciplined. It gets you creating moves with ease, with accuracy, and making sure that you learn to not just kind of rush the moves, rush the combination. Kind of the transitions is really what is important, right? So this is what this video is all about today, is how to piece moves together and transition between them easily. So when you start with your running crossover, 1, 2, you're gonna do this 5 times. The next move is your double unders, right? So once you've done 5 reps of this, you're gonna set the feet, start your double unders. Now, hopefully you get this kind of makes sense, okay? Because I don't want this video to be too long, but what we're trying to learn here is you're just drilling, right? The reason why these drills work is because you're just creating this muscle memory within your brain, within your body. After your 5, you're now setting your feet, you're ready to explode, right, into this double under combination. Now, you really need to engage your core. This is something that we talked about in the last video, and you really need to try and stay really nice and balanced, okay? So when you're practicing this, I want you to go at 70% speed. Learn the moves almost in slow motion. If you start to slow things down and you can do it at a slower pace, you can then go as fast as you want. It's really important because most people, when they try and learn these combinations together, they're going at 1,000,000 miles an hour. You know, and it's obvious because their heart's racing. My heart's racing already right now. But you really want to try and push these out, become quick, gets jerky, gets choppy. You won't get that smoothness. So I want you to go at 70%. This is why this drill is going to work really nicely. Okay, so let me give you a full demonstration. Around about 60% speed. This is kind of risky, to be fair. It's cold, no shoes on. But anyway, 60% speed, full demonstration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, don't rush it. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. So this video, guys, just showing you how to drill this, how to kind of implement it in your workouts. You could do this with so many different other ways, right? Don't have to start with crossovers. You can start with 5 double under southpaws, mix in, you know, double under side swing crosses. You can do so many different variations. You can even do it with footwork if you wanted. If you're just a beginner, you can even start it with sort of 5 crisscrosses, 5 toe taps, sort of 5 side straddles, front straddles. If you just piece together things like this, make it fun, make it cool, and stay disciplined. If you trip up, you start all over again, you start the cycle again, start the drill again. I promise you, this kind of discipline, this kind of focus, it's a great way to train with your skipping ropes Woo, I'm so tired. Just a quick one, guys. Little blast for the new year, just to get you guys motivated, started the right way. Try and do this drill, try and learn it. I want you guys to make this your focus in 2026. If you could do these 4 moves like that, piece it together, then you have officially become elite and boss of your skipping ropes. Damn, I'm struggling. It's like -1 today, man. This is tough. You know what, this is the grind. I'm glad to be back out here, outdoors, doing these videos. Remember, you got 30% off everything online, ropes, clothing, workout mats. All right, guys, so wherever you are in the world, hope you did enjoy your New Year's celebrations. Now the time is to grind. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know if you enjoyed it, drop me a comment. Let me know what you're struggling with, what you'd like to see going forward, and I'll get it done for you as always. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.